Welcome back, everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML style guide. And right now, we'll be discussing about the spaces and equal signs. HTML allows spaces around equal signs, but spaceless is easier to read and groups entities better together. For instance, instead of our link element, we are having our rel attribute is equal to double quote. Inside the double quote we specify style sheet. The second one right here is having the link element along with the rel attribute. We space it. Rel space is equal to space double quote style sheet. The first one is good because it's not having spaces and it's reasonable to read. But the second one is bad because of the spaces you gave the rel. After the rel you gave space. After the equals you gave space. That is bad. So be careful when you are writing space, when you are using spaces and equal signs in your HTML element. And to the next, Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time, and make sure you practice because practice makes